Hello, hello, my most amazing artists. And today we're going to talk about drawing or learn how to draw some caveman art. All right. We're going to start with a plain piece of paper. Some of you might have brown paper at home, which is good to work on. But I like to use, for this project, I like to use a black crayon to draw with. Or pencils first and then black crayon. I'm going to use a China marker so that you can see better. Okay? So, getting started. Let's draw a caveman. As you know, the caveman and the cavewoman, they are some of the first people to create art in this world. So we're going to start with a circle for the head, little lines for the neck. And when the cavemen used to draw, they used to draw using very basic shapes. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's draw top of his shoulders, a little line there. Then we're going to take our finger, put it in the center of his head, bring it down, 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 and make a little dot. I can almost imagine the triangle already. We're going to make a little line through that dot and make it come in like a triangle. The next thing we're going to do is draw the legs. We're missing legs. We're going to start with an upside down V. Bring those out. We're going to do half circles on both feet. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video or slow it down. Now we're going to go from here down, here down. What's he missing? He is missing some arms. The first one, I'm just going to draw a line with a little circle on the bottom and then another line next to it to connect. Don't forget his fingers. How many fingers do we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the same thing over here, only this time I think I want to go and make it look like he's holding something. So I draw the line first. Draw his little hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. And then come next to it. Now, believe it or not, in caves, they did not draw faces in caveman paintings when they drew pictures of people. One of the things that they did is they liked to draw a spiral. Okay? So, watch how I draw a spiral. And there's 2 ways to do it. You can start from the outside circle and curl in. Or you can start from the center and curl out. It's up to you. I think I'm going to try from the outside. I'm going to go slow. And there's his face. There's his face. Okay. Now, the hair. They used to draw funny hair. It used to look like this. And they just draw it like little lines coming out from the head. I like it. Now, I don't know if you know this, but they used to hunt with bows and arrows and spears. So let's draw a spear in our caveman's hand. I'm going to draw like this, a long stick with a little triangle at the end. I'm going to color that in. Okay, now that we've drawn our caveman, let's move on to draw the cave woman. I'm going to draw her over here. I think I'm going to put her up here, actually. And I'm going to start with that circle head. It's really wherever you can fit it. Make sure you have space around. And we're going to use an oval for the body. Drawing her legs. 2 half circles for her feet. And draw her arms. Her hands. I'm going to put this hand going up in the air. And she had the similar face as the caveman. They did spirals. But I think that just in case for our other students who don't want to draw spirals, I'm going to just draw circles inside of circles. And then I'm going to draw that hair again, that wild hair. Lines coming out of the head. And that, my friends, is how we draw a caveman and a cave woman.